In this video, I will show you how to download Spotify playlist to MP3. First of all, open the Spotify application. Once you are on the home screen, you will see different tabs at the bottom. Tap on the Your Library tab. Here you will see all the playlists that you have on Spotify. Select the one that you want to download in MP3. Once it's open, you will see the download icon at top left side of the screen. Tap on it. One important thing is that you need to have the premium version of Spotify application in order to proceed. So if you already have the premium subscription, the playlist will start downloading in MP3. But if you don't already have the premium version, you first need to buy the subscription. For that, tap on the Explore Premium option at the bottom. It also provides a 1 month free trial of premium version. So tap on Get Started option to proceed. On the next screen, choose your payment method and proceed. Once you enter your all details, your free trial of premium version will begin, and then you will be able to download Spotify playlist to MP3. But after 1 month, you would need to pay for further use of the premium version. And this is how you can download Spotify playlist to MP3.